With deferral summaries, it's possible to see what's going on in any given period being a month, to find out what's going on with your deferrals as part of your end-of-month activities. Just search deferrals. Now, in your reports, you can see three reports here. One is your GL report, one is your sales deferral summary, and your purchasing summary. So let's take a look. So I'm going to run this report as of this date here. I'm going to say actually as of today. I'm going to update it. And I want to see what's been deferred or yet to be. Okay, here we go. And so I can see three transactions: the start date, the number of periods, the amounts recognized so far, okay, and the remaining amount deferred. So at the same time, we can go back and run the same deferral and look at sales deferral summary for today. Let's preview that. We can see one transaction here. The start date was the 3/10/22. There's 12 periods. So far, $705 is recognized out of 8,000. So 3rd of the 10th. So that's as of October. And it's now the 14th of October. So that's just what's been deferred so far. And if we go in and just to finish this up, we'll look at the final report. And we're going to do the purchase summary. And in here, the same principles apply. I'm going to hit today, hit preview. And from here, we can see two transactions that so far there's been no recognition on either of them. But they're upcoming. They're to be recognized. And that's how you see your deferral summaries.